Today's recipe is egg fried rice. For this recipe, we need some cooked, cold or chilled rice. We need quarter cup boiled peas, quarter cup carrots, quarter cup sweet corn. This is canned sweet corn. Quarter cup of green onion. I've just used one of these and chopped them fine. We need 2 eggs. These are at room temperature. 1 tablespoon of fresh garlic paste. Salt as per taste. Around 70 grams of butter. Here I've got sesame oil. This will be used as a finishing oil for my egg fried rice. I've got some soy sauce and pepper to taste. So first we start making this rice, and we will need to chill this rice or cool it to use for this recipe. To make rice for the egg fried rice, here I've got 2 cups of rice. I have basmati rice. What I've done is I've washed this rice till the cloudy water ran clear, and I will be boiling this rice. I will be chilling it in my refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours. And if you don't have that much of time for chilling this rice for 2 hours, you can keep it in your freezer and chill it for anywhere between 15 to 30 minutes. Just make sure this rice doesn't get frozen when you are chilling the rice. Now for egg fried rice, it's very important to only use cold rice, because if you use warm rice, it will clump up and it won't be good for the recipe. I'll add this rice to my cooking pot. I have drained the water out from the rice and placed it in my cooking pot. To this I will add water. Now there is a technique known as the rice finger trick to add water to the rice. So what I'll do is first I'll add water, and I will measure the level of water in this rice by dipping my finger in, and the water should reach the level of my first little knuckle. So I still need to add more water. So let's add more water. So you can see I've filled up water till the first level of my knuckle here, and that's the amount of water I will be using to cook this rice for my fried rice. Now in case you do not want to do the rice finger trick, what you can do is you can also add 3.5 cups of water to 2 cups of rice. Just out of curiosity, I measured the water after filling it up in this pot to see how much water actually went for this quantity of rice. So that's how I got 3.5 cups of water to 2 cups of rice. Now I'll add salt as per taste. I'll give it a quick stir, and I'll place this on my stove, and I'll let this rice cook till it's done. I'll turn my stove on, and what I'll do is I'll let the water come to a boil. My flame is on medium. Water has come to a boil. Now at this point of time, I will turn my flame on the lowest, and I will cover this rice and let it cook till it's done. It's been exactly 20 minutes since this rice has been cooking. I will be checking if it's done. I'll first turn the stove off, and you can see it's nicely cooked. Be very careful, it's very hot. You can see the rice is all done. This rice is now ready to chill in the fridge or freezer. It's your choice. If you want it to chill quick, just place it in the freezer for a minimum of 15 minutes or half an hour, or till it actually chills. Transfer this rice to a dish for it to cool down. Just spread it evenly all over. I will wait for this rice to cool down to room temperature before placing it in my fridge. After it's cooled down to room temperature, I will cover it with a cling film or plastic wrap, and I will keep it for it to chill. Once this rice is chilled and cool, this is what I will be using for my egg fried rice. In the meanwhile, I boiled carrots, peas and made fresh garlic paste while waiting for my rice to cool. Today I will be using this clay pot to make the egg fried rice. I generally use this clay pot for my traditional Indian biryanis, and I just want to try in this. Ideally you should make egg fried rice in a wok. So let's start cooking. My clay pot is warm. Now I'll add some butter and wait for it to melt. I will be cooking the eggs first. Once the eggs are cooked and scrambled, I will remove it from the clay pot and I will start frying my vegetables. Butter has melted, my flame is on medium. Now I will be adding my eggs. Start scrambling the eggs with the butter and cook them till they're done. I will be adding some pepper too. As well as some salt to taste to this egg. And cook this egg till it's well done. The eggs are done. Now I'll remove it from this pot and place it in a different dish. After I remove the egg, I've added butter to the clay pot. This is around 3 tablespoons of butter. To this butter, I will be adding my fresh garlic paste. Give it a good stir. Once the butter has melted, then I will add in my boiled vegetables. So you can add any vegetable of your choice. Here I boiled the vegetables, so the cooking time will be a little less for these vegetables. Now I will add in my boiled peas. I'll add my boiled carrots. Give it a good stir. I'll just add a tablespoon of my green onions, and the rest I will add it once I add in the rice. Saute this for less than a minute. Now add in sweet corn. Give it a good stir. Add a little salt. Once that's done, then I will add in 4 cups of my cooked rice, and the remaining 4 cups I will use it and show you how to make this egg fried rice in a wok as well. So I used 2 cups of uncooked rice, and when I boiled it, it came to around 8 cups of cooked rice. So here I'm using cold rice. Never use fresh warm rice because it leaves moisture and your egg fried rice becomes a bit soggy. So the best thing for this recipe is to use chilled or cold rice. Give it a good stir. Add a tablespoon of soy sauce. Give it a good stir. You need to taste salt as well once you're done. Now I'll add my prepared egg. Stir it well. I'll just saute this for at least a minute or two. And this egg fried rice looks almost done. Now if you want, you can add in pepper as for your taste. Give it a good stir. Now I'll turn my stove off and I will be adding a 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil as my finishing oil for this recipe. So I'm turning my stove off and I just add a 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil. This adds an amazing flavor to the fried rice. Now this is egg fried rice, which is ready to serve, and this I've made it in my Indian clay pot, also known as a matka. Egg fried rice is ready. This fried rice was cooked in a wok and this was cooked in my clay pot. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please click on the bell icon for notification of my latest videos, and thank you for watching. Enjoy!